Here I came with a nice and important geometry question from triangles, which is very useful for CBSE and IIT Foundation. Let's see the problem. ABC is an acute angle triangle. CD is the altitude 3C. If AB is 8 units, CD is 6 units, find the distance between the midpoints of AD and BC. This is the question. A nice question. Pause the video if you want to try it. So now look at the solution. So we have a triangle ABC. So geometry problems will be solved very easily if you get the diagram. From that question you have to get diagram. If you get diagram, half of the problem will over. So try to convert this information into diagrammatically. So we have a triangle ABC. So this is the triangle ABC. So ABC is the triangle. CD is the altitude. So from C you have to drop a perpendicular. That is nothing but altitude. So CD is perpendicular to AB. They give AB is 8 units. So from here to here 8 units given and CD also 6 given. So CD is 6 means the distance is 6. Now find the distance between midpoints of AD and BC. So AD means this one. So midpoint we have to take. Let's consider E is the midpoint of AD and they are asking BC. So midpoint of BC is F. So E is the midpoint of AD and F is the midpoint of BC. Now we want to find the distance EF. This distance if you find means NF. So we want to find here EF. EF is equal to how much? So to find it, I am going to drop a perpendicular from F to AB. So give name as G. So FG is perpendicular to AB as well as CD also perpendicular to AB. So these two lines are perpendicular. So we can tell these two are parallel. So CD is parallel to FG. And this line, this parallel line is passing through the midpoint of one side. So F. By using midpoint theorem and converse midpoint theorem, we can tell that this FG is half of the CD. So FG is equal to half of CD. Will give you half of into 6. CD is 6. So will give you 3. So FG is 3 units. So I got FG is 3. And by using converse midpoint theorem, I can tell G is the midpoint of this side means DB. So I have FG. Now I am going to find EG. So EG I need EG is equal to this length plus this length. So ED plus DG. ED plus DG. ED is nothing but half of total length. This total length half. So half of AD plus DG is nothing but half of the total length. So half of DB. So now half common if you take means AD plus DB. AD plus DB is nothing but AB. AD plus DB is total length AB. So we know AB given as 8. So half of 8 will give you 4. So I got the total length EG is 4 units. So EG is 4 here. Now I have FG3, EG4 and we know that the triangle, this triangle is right triangle. Why? Because here 90 degrees we have. So this is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Pythagoras rule we can apply. So EF is equal to square root of 3 square plus 4 square. So will give you 25. 25 means 5. So EF is equal to 5. Therefore EF is equal to 5. So they are asking the question also same only, the distance between the midpoints of AD and BC. AD is E and BC is F. So EF I want to find. I already found EF is equal to 5. So this is the question. Hope you understand this question.